Morning, engine carbon clean. We've got a bit of a doozy with this one. Came out to it a few weeks ago, and the back pressure sensor for the DPF was showing some stupidly high values. Got the diagnostics done on that. We recommended the owner get that manifold and associated pipework looked at. That was absolutely chock-a-block full of thick, pasty, tarry, carbony build-up. That's been all replaced. Now, still having problems with it. So we've had the new pressure sensor on the DPF, all the manifold replaced. Come out to it this morning and tried to work out what's going on with it, and the first thing we spot is that the replacement pressure sensor has not been connected to the DPF. So the back bit of black pipe is missing. That explains why I still got problems. So we've rigged up a temporary bit of pipe work, just connect the sensor back up. We're now getting readings back on the DPF. All the codes have cleared. He's got his friend to nip off and get a bit of pipe to replace that. And we're giving it a clean now, back to do the engine clean. So we'll get the turbo, the combustion chamber, the injector tips and the caps cleaned up now. But yeah, no wonder this was not going to work properly again with a bit of pipe missing. Not going to name where the garage was, but they've done all the other bits and then missed the easy bit at the end, just not put the pipe back on. Hence why the back pressure was showing 0. Pretty easy thing to miss, I suppose. But all working again now with that bit of hooked up pipe, doing the engine clean on it, get a bit of replacement pipe on there, and this one will be good to go.